Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Audi A4 side mirror. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a T25 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Also, ensure you have your new side mirror assembly ready for installation. This entire process typically takes about 30 to 45 minutes to complete successfully. Next, let's remove the old mirror. Gently pry off the small triangular trim piece on the inside of the door, near the mirror. This reveals 3 Torx screws. Unscrew these 3 screws, then carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness. The old mirror should now be free to remove from the door. Now, for the installation. First, carefully connect the electrical harness to your new mirror assembly. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Then, align the new mirror with the 3 mounting holes on the door frame. Insert and tighten the 3 Torx screws to firmly secure the mirror. Finally, let's test and finish up. Before fully reassembling, turn on your car and test all mirror functions, including power adjustments and heating. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior trim piece, ensuring it snaps back into place. Your new Audi A4 side mirror is now fully installed and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.